What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys. Yeah, Irish potato is rich in vitamin B6 and potassium and vitamin C.
We are going to
vitamin C, just to help the cells and this thing. Yeah, guys. I had to reset that. But anyways, guys, it's very healthy.
Here is the chicken. I'm going to pour it into the pan. So I'm going to be adding my pepper. If you know you like eating too much pepper, you can add it to your taste. Then I'll be adding seasoning, little salt, then onion. Put it on fire. Just add a little water, then put it on the stove. Now I'm going to be adding my turmeric. Meanwhile, let me show you how I'm going to be cutting my potato. Just like that. Then so you just cut it to any shape you like. The veggies, I'm frying it now. So
with coconut oil.
The pepper. I'm doing this. I don't want to put this spring onion. I don't want to put it now, so that it will not be overcooked. Please get me the fresh pepper. And the fresh pepper goes in. This is the pepper. Okay. Allow it to cook for about 3-4 minutes. Friends, this is the chicken. I pieces everything. Take out the bone. Okay. Anybody can eat it, even adults. So I'm going to be adding my signature again to give it this golden color. My seasoning. Guys, please like this video, comment. It's not easy.
Like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a.
So this is the Irish potato. I'm going to turn it in. So try it, cook it for your child, and you see it. Even Jeff said, I say he doesn't like potato. You see the way he's going to tear this thing. That's it. Turn off your gas. Okay. Beautiful in the taste, and beautiful in the. It's okay. So food is ready. We're just going to turn off the gas.
Okay, guys, we are done. As you can see, this is a prepared dish. It looks explicit, but I'm not one to blow my own trumpet. But this right here, this is, oof,
it's nice.
Yeah. For someone who does not like eating Irish potato, you will not feel the potato taste. You just feel the sauce, and with it has this taste to it. So guys, anyways, that's for this video. If you learned something today, guys, subscribe and like because you learned something.
Please watch the video to the end.
If they are watching, then if they are seeing us, that means they watch it today.
Oh yeah, and give us love, that red love heart. Give us, please, so that we'll know that you watch it till the end, please.
Okay, yeah. That's
heart emoji.
Yeah.
Then you comment.
Let's confuse them in the chat, in the comment section, guys.
Red love.
Yeah. Anyways, so that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and guys, we appreciate you all a lot.
For you guys are the best.
Yeah. Bye.